Daniel, how you doing? This is Ashley. I'm excited to make this video for you. I spoke to Priscilla, and yeah, I wanted to just make a quick video breaking down your online presence for you. I run a digital marketing company alongside of my fiance, and I came across your business and just saw a few opportunities that could bring in more customers pretty quickly for you guys. So first off, your website. It looks pretty clean, pretty simple. Now something that is really great for user friendliness, making people, being able to have easier conversions is this click to call phone number that you guys have here. Another thing that I very much like is this picture right here. That is actually really good for building trust in the eyes of the people that are coming to your site. Now, a couple things that I did notice is this section right up here could be a little bit clearer in terms of what action you really want your visitors to take. Right now, someone lands here and might not know exactly what to do or where to go next. For instance, when somebody comes to your site, there's no clear call to action. So yes, you have a click to call phone number here, which is great. It's again great for client conversions, but maybe have a call now, or have some sort of deal over here going, or have your social media, your business hours, a little bit more information. You have what we consider a weak headline. So what you might want to do is, instead of having to click on your services and it take you to all the different services that you have to offer, it would really benefit you to have a tab that comes down into all the different services that you have to offer. That's actually really good for user friendliness, which is very important for a site. A site that is difficult to navigate for somebody is no good. They'll leave that site just as quick as they came to it. Another thing that is just a flaw that I noticed as far as your site goes is when you click on here to go back home, it takes you and brings up a whole new tab instead of just generating back home like a typical website should do. Now to bring over to this tab, this is one of your competitors. Now you have many different competitors all across Google. But if you notice, they immediately basically tell you what to do. They have the call, they have the schedule, it's inviting, it has colors, brings your eyes and directs your eyes to a specific area. Now they're not necessarily better, but they're just guiding the customers more clearly, which usually leads to more conversions. But coming over to your stats compared to their stats. Now, I have something, this is called Ahrefs. It's a paid site I pay monthly for. And you can just see how your site is performing. So right now, it looks like you're getting around 34 organic traffic from 3 organic keywords. Your UR is a 6 and your DR is a 0.2. Now the UR is how trustworthy or legit Google looks at your site, and that's out of 100. And the DR is how strong your backlinks are, again out of 100. Now this tells me the backlinks that you do have, which are 37 backlinks coming from 34 domains, are not strong, they're not relevant, they're just not good links. They could be spammy, whatever the case may be. They're not doing your site any good, which tells me that there's definitely room to grow. Now, if we come over to your competitor, we can see that they have a UR of a 4.5, they have a DR of a 74, they're getting 9 organic traffic from this specific keyword that I typed in. Now, this may look scary to you, but the good thing is we don't need to beat out the entire Roto-Rooter. We just need to beat out that one page that they are currently ranking for. And if the backlinks that they have are working for them, that got them to the position that they're in, why not get them for you, So if we come over here, I want to take a look at a few different keywords that you're missing out on, because as of right now, these are the keywords that you are being found for. So that tells me you are getting a lot of repeat customers, word of mouth customers, people who are specifically looking for you and your business. As you can see, you have no organic keywords where it's like plumbers Vero Beach or drain cleaning Vero Beach. You have no keywords like that, which is really hurting you, where you're really missing out on a lot of potential customers. So just to show you some of those keywords, for instance, plumber Vero Beach, Florida, 30 people are going into Google and typing that each and every month, and you're missing out on each of those possibilities. 20 people are typing plumber Vero Beach, Florida, so on and so forth. That's just literally 2 keywords right there. That is 50 volume. That is a month. This is a monthly search that you could be getting. So something that I want to talk about now is your reviews. If we come back here, as we can see, you have some reviews, which is great. It's definitely a start. It looks like you actually have a pretty solid ranking, pretty solid reviews, which is a huge advantage. The opportunity here is now just to leverage them a little more. Like, for instance, I'm not sure why that's not loading, but for instance, putting them on your website and showcasing them there, or having an ad and showcasing some of them there. You know, this is definitely an area that a small push can make a big difference. Just getting more consistent reviews can really boost trust quickly, because as you can see, the latest review that you have is a week ago, and the one before that is an entire month ago. So getting more consistent reviews can definitely help out in that area. Now, as far as like social media, meta ads go, this is where I see the biggest immediate opportunity through, again, social media and meta ads. So platforms like Facebook, Instagram let you target people in your exact area who are likely to need your services and what you offer. So instead of waiting for people to find you, you know, you're basically putting your business directly in front of them. Now, done right, this can become a consistent stream of new leads every week. Now, if this is anything that I have talked about has excited you, helped you, informed you in any way, shape, or form, I am glad. I'd be happy to, you know, walk you through, talk to you about anything, you know, kind of walk you through exactly what I do for your business specifically. Feel free to give me a call back, text, whatever works best, in the email that I provide this video link to will have all that information. Either way, I hope this was helpful. I hope at the least you found it informative. And yeah, I hope you take care, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye, Danielle.